You know, sometimes I get mad at these niggas until I call my bank teller and she read me the balance. Now these niggas know I'm about to fuck this shit up.
My dog just caught a case, you can't be free. Till you bought the Wraith, you can't be me. Papa locked the safe, I made the key. Out your dodging Jakes, pray for me. Only rock the Jakes and Maple Leaf. Only stock I got to pay is me. All the songs are paid and straight to me. Y'all think the shit I say is free. Please, nigga, I be ballin'. The best printer like a fucking room dog, big enough to fit you all in. Been going hard since HARD even got started. For y'all bird, I'm with a dog bitch, and a nigga want another rain dog, and I swear this shit is just LeBron lit. Please, my nigga, they lock it and I got the keys, my nigga. The 20, 50, 100 money machine, my nigga, just ease, my nigga, just, yeah. My chick is so foreign that her and her luggage just gon' need a visa, nigga. I come from the streets and look at the life that I lead, my nigga. Even Lil Ray is getting pesos. Jewish lawyer get the case closed. Too much cake up in the bank rolls. Getting money like a scammer, nigga, that just hit a check up out of Chase, though. And hit another BOA that was like 10 years in a day old. Yeah, the quicker we kill him, the quicker my niggas is in, dawg. Yeah, if I like how I fly and I fuck in the city, I'm in, dawg. Rolls Royce gave her no choice. All of you bitches get in, dawg. And all of you bitches go tell me you fuck her before this iPhone pin fall. Hit it like I'm playing pinball. Fuck her till I make a wig fall. Forgiato got me sitting tall. Money longer than any item that you can find at a bigger talk. Why you winning, got the click involved. Now this shit'll never get resolved. Man, fuck it, now this shit is off. Niggas a park at the Timmy's and trap at that motherfucker. We buy coffee every hour so they don't kick us right back out that motherfucker. We back to back out that motherfucker. And we back to back with the stallions. And we white on white with the coupe and brick. But we black on black with medallions. Like way out in London, they calling me fam. I'm killing all the competition, nigga, yeah, and they going hard as they can. Sweating all in they practice, I ain't even hopped out the van. My heart feels like it's so dog, I gotta call it a 10, man. Shorty, she gave me the pussy was good and I had to call it my mans. Normally I never do that, but I had to call it my mans. See, I had to run up the bands. See, I was the one in the stands. Shorty, she shitted on me when I see her, I know I'ma come in the lamb now. It's Fargo, Cargo, Marcy, Largo. Fuck that, I had that, crash that, Gallardo. Find me, I'm Waldo, I'm here for bread, what are y'all for? Just to say you don't pop Molly, when none of y'all rock time for. My swag different, jet lag different. I dated Trina, if you want to talk bad bitches. Bought the Wraith, no album out. Niggas know what the outcome bout. Drop head in the south come out. Head drops all out my house. X want my last name, rather keep my Malcolm out. Ain't gon' lie, she a super freak, she a super beast when that mouth come out. Fresh to death, I'm RP. Had to get a swag mouth to mouth. She just ripped the tag out the couch. I just kicked her back out the house. Low-mo, logo, had to fuck her with a GoPro. Keep the shit, leak the shit, that's what we call promo. All the shooters, they in go mode. Me, I'm pulling in a farm, bro. All the shooters, they in Volvos. Rolling up and smoking Marlboros, yeah. They don't like me, but they gon' respect me. Yeah, they don't like me, but can't no one check me. Yeah, cause I got it on my own, nigga. So it's motherfucking hoe niggas. Yeah, they ain't gon' like me, dawg. Hey, Javi, tell them niggas I'm going for 10 million, nigga.